Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change boot drive in BIOS. To start, you need to know some keys that allow you to access the BIOS. In base to models, some you can use are Delete, F2, F8, F9, Escape, F1. Now click Start and from the shutdown button, pulse Restart. In this process, press any of the keys that we have mentioned. With this, you access the BIOS. After this, in this example, go to the Startup section. After, in the first boot device line, select which device you will boot the PC with. After select the order, press the F10 key to save the changes and access the selected system or device to start. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.